Hello and welcome to the 401k control process overview, video number 1. In this video, we're going to go through the following 2 steps. First, we're going to open and review the action report. Then we're going to open the reallocation worksheet and populate that with information from the action report. I've gone ahead and signed on to the 401k control service. The first step is to open and review the action report, which is button number 1. Respond to a series of prompts, and then the action report will be displayed. There are 2 main sections to the action report. The first is a market commentary, which is a brief synopsis of changes since the last action report was published, and second, the current period market analysis. Here you'll see information presented in a table as follows. There are 5 asset classes. Each asset class has a favored category. And then there are 3 adaptive asset allocation portfolios that determine how to allocate your entire portfolio. The first decision you need to make is which of the asset allocation portfolios corresponds best to your style of investing. You have 3 choices: aggressive, moderate, and conservative. For this example, we are going to use the moderate. As you can see here, there are percentages for each of the 5 asset classes. The next step is to return to the home page and open the reallocation worksheet. Here is the reallocation worksheet. You can see that it's broken up into 4 tabs: fund selection, fund allocation matrix, and sell buys transactions. We actually will not be using the 4th tab in this example. As you can see here, there are places where you can enter the asset class, category, and total percentage, as well as a list of your fund choices. We'll cover that in a later video. But for purposes of this video, what we're going to do is populate the favored category and the total percentage for your chosen asset allocation. And it's a simple matter of copying and pasting, or you can just type the information directly. If you want to type it, you might want to print the action report out to have it handy. But I'm going to go ahead and start by taking the domestic equities asset class, favored category of mid-cap value. I'm going to put that in here. The total percentage for the moderate category is 75. I'm going to put that in here. I'm then going to populate the sectors, the top 5 domestic sectors: energy, financials, technology, consumer cyclical, and industrial. Now, while you may not be investing in any, if not all 5 of these, it's always a good idea to populate that so you have everything that you need in one place. We then move on to the international asset class. Favored category is European developing. And the total percentage for this asset class is 5%. Fixed income bonds is the next asset category. I'm going to take the high yield, place that in there, and the 20%. Of course, you want the total to equal 100%. We have now populated the worksheet, and our next step, which we'll cover in the next video, is to go through and come up with your allocation plan.